Hey there, welcome to Tweedsmuir, right in the heart of Westboro. Come on in. This model is Ottawa's first two-story attached garage coach home. Now, a coach home is just a home at the back of your property that offers multi-generational accommodation or long-term investment. Check it out. So here on the main floor, we have heated floors throughout. Your first of two bedrooms with patio door to the yard. As we make our way back, you see a fully custom kitchen with all the amenities. Moving right along, we see the bathroom on the main floor with curbless shower and heated tile. And making our way back through the entrance, the heated garage, and we can make our way up to that second floor. Now right at the top of the landing, you'll see a fully kitted laundry. And then you have your master bedroom upstairs, nice and spacious with walk-in closet. And then you have your upstairs ensuite. Take a look. And that's Tweedsmuir.